Good day, Madam. My name is Michelle B. Lopez. I am Filipino. I am 34 years old. I am a Roman Catholic. I am separated. I have one child. I have 4 brothers and 1 sisters. I am second in the family. I am high school graduate. I have work experience in Lebanon, KSA, and Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, marketing, and ironing. I cook Filipino food like adobo, sinigang ang pinakbet. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I love to taking care of baby. I give him bath every day, give him vitamins and medicines, and milk and foods. I love him as my own baby. Ma'am, sir, I'll be honest, loyal, and responsible. Ma'am, sir, please choose me as your domestic helper. I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise I will finish my 2 years contract, and I treat your family as all my family too. Thank you, Ma'am and sir.